Hello friends, this is Soumya. Today I am going to explain you about subqueries and views. Subqueries are nothing but queries which are written inside the one more query. And coming to the views, views are the virtual tables where you create the tables which are not referred in a database, but then they just created as a virtual. And then we can these views are created because we need some of the values in a table, we just need three rows from the table. Then we can create a view using some queries and using some syntax. And this is the use for views. And we'll see the queries here, we'll see the questions here. This is the first question. Find the names of the customers who ordered for the cherry and red oak. So we'll go for the queries here. Okay, this is the query what I have typed here. So don't have connection between the customers and the product. So first we are creating connecting from one query to the other. So what are common in that? In the other queries we are connecting the tables and we are writing the query. First we are using the select, and we are comparing the customer ID with the customer ID of the order one table, and the order one table with the order one table of order one attribute of order quantity, then product ID, and then product ID of product table. Then we have written product material is equals to cherry, or product material is equals to red oak. Then that gives the answer. The only one customer who ordered for the both things, then he that is Mary Smith. And coming to the next query, we have the same thing, name of the customer who ordered for the product only one on table lamp. Same query we have used, only just we have used table lamp here, so there are no person who ordered for that, so there are no rows selected here. Coming to the next query, we have same thing, which product ID is equals to 1000. We have to use exists here, so we use exists query. Then that gives the values, whereas Mary Smith. And coming to the fourth query here, yes, find the supplier with the highest rating using all. So this is the value what we have. We have used uh, any here. Supply use total supply quantity is greater than some of the supply quantity called S3. So we have used in supplier ID, supplier.pid, using any operator. Any is used as for the multi rows. When the subquery returns a multi rows, we use any, all, and in. And we use equals to and less than or greater than for a single row. So we have used this query here. Then the output is no row selected. Coming to the next query, we have display the products that are same as the product ordered by Kathy Cook. So we have the query here. Then that gives A here. And coming to the next queries, these are the queries we are just using in and all for the queries here. Then we have one more important queries here. They are views. Create a view v1 to display the customer name, order name, and the quantity. So here we create a view here, create or replace view v1 as. This is syntax for creating the view as. Select some query what we have to use here. So we have to display the customer name, order ID, and the quantity. So use inner join for the order table, and the order quantity table. Then that gives the view created. And then comes to the next one, they ask to create the same view, other view, containing order ID, order date, and so on. We have created the same thing, then view got created here. And they asked insert a row into the above wave. They asked to insert the row into the above wave. We just insert the value into the above wave using toDate function, but the value is not inserted, so we can't insert the value into the waves, and we can't modify the original wave, and we can't modify the table base table, because the virtual table is not the table what stores in the oracle. It's just a virtual table. Then comes to the next one. They asked for the create a view v3 using customer name, order id and order date from v1 and v2. So we have used the same thing. We have used from v1 inner join v2, and we just compared v1 order id and v2 order id here. And then we asked to delete a row from a view, and we can't delete a row from a view because we can only delete a can't perform DML operations on views, so we can't delete the we can't delete the row from the view. So the delete cannot delete from view without exactly one key preserved table. This is the output what comes here. Thanks for watching.